DLSC to UP din naman.
Part 2. Saan na ba tayo?
As of right now, nasa Pipadilla State.
Uy, sabay ating.
Okay. As of right now, naka 7.5 kilometers na kami, guys. Uphill kami right now, guys. How are you feeling right now?
Right now, we are feeling great. Wala tayong assignment, walang pasok, kaya...
Kakatapos lang term namin.
And panalo pala Sal, kaya paldo talaga.
Stretching counter. Okay, guys. Umiinit na, guys.
Ayaw ko umitim, guys. Ito na.
Ano tinatawag mo sa kanila?
Uy,
Hoy! Hoy! Sila nga, walang payong. Tapos ikaw papayong.
sensitive skin ko eh.
Grabe yung uphill, guys.
Yung slope, pre.
Pare, kanina ko pa hinahanap si Juan. Yung mahanap si Juan, saan Juan? Dito na kami sa Ortigas. Ilang kilometers pa?
6.7.
Ito ba tayo na naman?
Nandito na tayo sa hometown ni Bon.
So,
Araw-araw tawanan.
Uphill counter, 5. Parang kanina pa kami nag-uphill.
Parang wala talagang break.
By the way, guys, we're doing this walk without any breaks. Yung CR break lang kanina yung only break. Pero hindi yun considered break kasi di kami umupo, di kami nag-stop for like 5 minutes. Medyo napapagod na ako, guys. Okay ka ba, bro? Parang yung oo mo, sinasabi mo di ka na okay.
hindi okay pa ako.
Ako'y nakahiga sa'yo.
Stairs counter 1.
Naging Chinito hikers na kami.
Kanina pa kami nag-uphill, downhill, uphill, downhill.
Ikaw na ba ang
Shoutout sa mga taga Cubao Elementary School. Nadaanan na rin namin gateway. This is what it's like to walk here in Cubao, Araneta. Parang mas okay na lang maglakad. Grabe yung traffic.
tadhana?
Alright guys, 4 kilometers na lang.
Maliligaw sa'yo.
Finally, sobrang peaceful ulit ng daanan natin after that long road walk.
Sarap.
Guys, umuulan ulit.
Ulan.
Iyong mata, hindi ko
Stairs counter 2. Uy, nauna na sila.
I just wanna be part of your symphony. Funny ka? Symphony.
kaya magmahal
Wait lang guys, I think someone's calling.
sa iba.
Grabe guys, after more than 15 kilometers.
We're here!
Pupunta tayo sa Oblation guys, yung statue.
Pwede ba kitang isa
Nakapasok namin sa UP pero 20 minutes walk.
hanggang sa pagtanda?
From Lasal, Lake
Nandito na tayo.
We made it! UP, we're here!
It's good guys.
Feels fulfilling, right? Walang kain break, only water break guys. DLSC to UP, done! Comment down below saan kami maglalakad next year for 2026. Ito yung last walk namin for 2025. Thank you so much for supporting, for watching. We'll see you sa next walk guys.